The United States has long been seen as a land of opportunity, where dreams can be realized through hard work. This image attracts entrepreneurs and investors eager to contribute to the American story. The E-2 visa offers a unique pathway to live and work in the United States. Designed for individuals from treaty countries, it opens doors to invest in the American dream. Many seek a better life for themselves and their families. The E-2 visa provides a platform to establish and grow businesses, creating jobs for American workers. This brings fresh perspectives and innovation to the U.S. economy. The E-2 visa is a non-immigrant visa category, meaning it does not automatically lead to permanent residency. However, it allows you to live and work in the United States while operating and growing your business. This visa can be renewed indefinitely, as long as you meet the eligibility criteria. Your stay can be extended, providing stability and a long-term perspective. The E-2 visa is based on treaties of commerce and navigation between the United States and numerous countries. These treaties foster economic cooperation and investment. As a citizen of a treaty country, you can leverage the E-2 visa program. This guide will cover the E-2 visa requirements, application process, and necessary documentation. We will explore qualifying businesses and investment thresholds. A comprehensive business plan is crucial. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions for a successful E-2 visa application. Seek professional guidance from experienced immigration attorneys. Expert advice is invaluable in navigating the application process. With the right preparation, you can confidently embark on your entrepreneurial journey in the United States. The E-2 visa is deeply rooted in international agreements designed to promote trade and investment between the United States and specific partner countries. These agreements lay the groundwork for a mutually beneficial relationship where citizens of both countries can engage in entrepreneurial endeavors across borders. For an individual to be eligible, their home country must have such a treaty with the United States. This underscores the importance of international cooperation in facilitating economic growth. Unlike other visas, the E-2 visa centers on the applicant's commitment to investing in a U.S.-based business. It is tailored for individuals who possess the entrepreneurial spirit and financial resources to contribute to the American economy. By creating jobs and generating revenue, E-2 visa holders strengthen economic ties between the United States and treaty countries. At the heart of the E-2 visa is the concept of substantial investment. This requirement attracts individuals committed to establishing successful businesses in the U.S. While no specific minimum investment is required, the investment must ensure the business's viability and profitability. U.S. immigration authorities take a holistic approach, considering factors like business type, industry norms, and job creation. The investment must be at risk, committed to the business, and subject to entrepreneurial risks. This ensures the E-2 visa fosters genuine business development and economic activity. The E-2 visa is not for passive investors simply injecting capital into the U.S. economy. It requires active involvement in managing and operating the business. E-2 visa holders must play a central role in decision-making, shaping the company's direction. This hands-on approach fosters entrepreneurship and job creation. Control and influence over the business are crucial for eligibility. Managerial positions with significant responsibilities can also qualify. The key is demonstrating authority to make strategic decisions. This distinguishes the E-2 visa from passive investments. True entrepreneurial success combines capital investment and leadership. Embarking on the journey to obtain an E-2 visa requires understanding the eligibility requirements established by U.S. immigration law. These requirements ensure the E-2 visa program attracts individuals who contribute to the American economy. Meeting these criteria is essential for a successful application. The E-2 visa program is built on specific conditions that applicants must fulfill. Each requirement serves a distinct purpose, and failing to meet one can jeopardize the application. A meticulous approach to understanding each criterion is crucial. A fundamental principle of the E-2 visa is a qualifying treaty of commerce and navigation between the U.S. and the applicant's home country. This treaty-based framework emphasizes mutual benefits of fostering economic ties and investment. The first hurdle is confirming nationality aligns with a country that maintains such a treaty with the U.S. The U.S. Department of State maintains a list of treaty countries subject to change. Applicants must consult this list to verify eligibility based on their citizenship. Holding a passport from a treaty country is not sufficient. The applicant must be a citizen. This requirement underscores the E-2 visa's role in promoting international cooperation and economic exchange. At the core of the E-2 visa program lies the requirement of a substantial investment in a US-based business. This investment drives economic activity, creates jobs, and fosters innovation within the American economy. The investment must be significant enough to ensure the business's operational viability and support the applicant and their family. It should demonstrate a realistic prospect of profitability and a positive impact on the U.S. economy. Determining the substantiality involves a nuanced assessment of various factors. U.S. immigration authorities consider the business's industry, projected financial performance, and job creation. The investment should convince adjudicators of the business's high probability of success and meaningful contribution to the U.S. economy. Embarking on the E-2 visa application process is akin to setting sail on a significant voyage. Just as a seasoned mariner meticulously prepares, an E-2 visa applicant must plan with care and detail. This phase is the foundation of a successful application. First, gain a comprehensive understanding of the E-2 visa requirements, delve into the nuances, assessing your qualifications and identifying concerns. This self-assessment is crucial for developing a strategic roadmap. Next, gather the necessary documentation. This includes evidence of your citizenship from a treaty country, proof of your investment in the U.S. business, a detailed business plan outlining the company's objectives, and any other supporting documents that strengthen your case. Remember, a successful E-2 visa application hinges on meticulous preparation. Approach the process with diligence to lay the groundwork for a successful journey. In the realm of E-2 visa applications, documentation reigns supreme. The evidence you present serves as the bedrock of your case, providing tangible proof of your eligibility. U.S. immigration authorities rely heavily on this documentation to assess your qualifications. Therefore, assembling a comprehensive and well-organized dossier is paramount. Core documents include your passport, visa fee payment confirmation, and the DS-160 form. Beyond these essentials, your documentation should paint a vivid picture of your entrepreneurial journey. This includes evidence of your ownership stake and the source of your investment funds. Present a robust business plan outlining the company's mission and projected financial performance. By providing clear and convincing evidence, you enhance your chances of a successful E-2 visa application. Section 3. The DS-160 form, your gateway to the E-2 visa. The DS-160 is the official gateway for the E-2 visa. It captures essential biographical information and travel history. Completing the DS-160 accurately is crucial. Applicants must create a profile and provide truthful answers. Review each question carefully before submitting. Section 4. The interview, showcasing your vision and preparedness. The interview at the U.S. Embassy is crucial to convey your vision and commitment. Consular officers assess your credibility and business understanding. Preparation is key. Review your documentation and practice clear answers. Present yourself professionally and answer all questions truthfully. Approach with confidence and genuine enthusiasm for success. The advantages of the E-2 visa. The E-2 visa offers a pathway to living and working in the U.S. for business owners. It provides work authorization without complex labor certification. Spouses can apply for work authorization, adding flexibility. The visa can be renewed indefinitely if the business remains operational. This ensures stability for entrepreneurs in the U.S. market. Section 2. Navigating the constraints limitations of the E-2 visa. The E-2 visa does not provide a direct path to permanent residency. It is a non-immigrant visa granted temporarily with the expectation of return. Renewal depends on the success of the U.S. business. Financial issues can jeopardize the visa holder's status. Substantial investment is required, posing a barrier for some. No specific minimum, but it must show genuine commitment. Understanding these constraints is crucial for assessing the E-2 visa's implications. Section 3. Balancing act. Weighing the pros and cons for your future. Choosing the right visa category requires careful consideration of your circumstances and goals. The E-2 visa offers the allure of living and working legally in the U.S. This can be attractive for those seeking flexibility and opportunity. Spouses can obtain work authorization, enhancing the visa's appeal. However, the E-2 visa's lack of a direct path to a green card may give some pause. Weighing the pros and cons will help determine if the E-2 visa aligns with your aspirations. Sustaining your American dream. The importance of E-2 visa renewal. Securing an E-2 visa marks the start of your U.S. entrepreneurial journey. Renewal requires ongoing attention and strategic planning. The process assesses business compliance and active engagement. Demonstrate growth, economic impact, and commitment. Failing to renew on time can result in a lapse of status. Section 2. Mastering the renewal process, a roadmap to continued success. Navigating the E-2 visa renewal process requires a proactive approach. Initiate the application well in advance to gather necessary documentation. Submit updated financial statements, tax returns, and evidence of job creation. Showcase your business's growth and commitment to the U.S. market. Assemble a compelling dossier of supporting documents. Engage experienced immigration counsel to guide you. Confidently navigate the renewal process for continued success. Exploring pathways to permanent residency. The E-2 visa is a non-immigrant visa and does not automatically lead to a green card. However, it can be a stepping stone to permanent residency. Many E-2 visa holders transition into different visa categories. This may involve employment-based green card options or investment-based routes like the EB-5. Careful planning and understanding of eligibility criteria are key. Seek expert guidance from experienced immigration attorneys. Actively exploring pathways can secure a more permanent future in the U.S. Section 2. Bridging the gap strategies for transitioning from E-2 to green card. Transitioning from an E-2 visa to a green card involves a strategic shift in your immigration approach. While the E-2 visa centers on your role as an entrepreneur, pathways to permanent residency may require highlighting managerial expertise or your company's performance. One strategy is to explore employment-based options, particularly if your business has grown and created jobs. The EB-1C category is for multinational managers or executives transferred to the U.S. Another option is the EB-5 Immigrant Investor Program, which requires a higher investment but offers a direct path to a green card. Consulting with experienced immigration attorneys is crucial for understanding each option and developing a strategic plan. Navigating the transition from an E-2 visa to a green card can be complex, requiring a deep understanding of U.S. immigration law and evolving regulations. Seeking expert guidance from experienced immigration attorneys is paramount. They possess in-depth knowledge of both processes and can provide invaluable assistance. Attorneys help assess eligibility, identify challenges, and guide you through paperwork. They act as advocates, liaising with U.S. citizenship and immigration services. Their expertise maximizes your chances of a successful outcome. Partnering with experienced professionals provides strategic guidance and peace of mind. This support is crucial for achieving your goal of securing permanent residency. Anticipating roadblocks. Common E-2 visa challenges. The path to achieving your American dream through the E-2 visa program is not without its challenges. The E-2 visa process, with its specific requirements and detailed documentation demands, can present hurdles. Understanding common challenges can help you proactively address potential roadblocks. A frequent challenge is demonstrating the substantiality of your investment. The investment must be significant enough to ensure the viability and profitability of the U.S. business. This often involves presenting a compelling business plan, demonstrating job creation for U.S. workers, and providing evidence that the investment funds are at risk and irrevocably committed. Another hurdle is proving the applicant's active involvement in the business. The E-2 visa requires demonstrating that the visa holder will play a central role in decision-making. This evidence can include organizational charts, employment agreements outlining managerial responsibilities, and testimonials from employees or business associates. Maintaining meticulous documentation throughout the E-2 visa process is crucial. Failing to provide complete and accurate documentation can lead to delays or denials, Seek guidance from experienced immigration attorneys to ensure all requirements are met. Charting your course strategies for overcoming obstacles. While the E-2 visa process may seem daunting, it is not insurmountable. Engage experienced immigration attorneys to navigate complexities and increase your chances of success. These professionals provide tailored guidance based on your specific circumstances. Meticulously prepare your documentation, ensuring accuracy and completeness. Your documentation should tell a cohesive story, demonstrating your eligibility and commitment. Be proactive, respond promptly to USCIS requests, and stay updated on immigration laws. With the right approach and expert guidance, you can overcome obstacles and achieve your American entrepreneurial dreams. The E-2 visa, a gateway to opportunity and growth. The E-2 visa stands as a testament to the power of entrepreneurship and international collaboration. For individuals with a vision and the willingness to invest in the American dream, the E-2 visa offers a unique pathway. It's not merely a visa category, it's a gateway to a world of possibilities. The United States has long been a magnet for entrepreneurs seeking fertile ground to cultivate their ideas. The E-2 visa program recognizes the valuable contributions that individuals from treaty countries can make to the U.S. economy. Embracing the journey, your American dream awaits. The E-2 visa process may seem daunting, but you don't have to navigate it alone. Experienced immigration attorneys can help you navigate the complexities, ensuring compliance, and presenting your case favorably. These professionals provide strategic insights and personalized support throughout your E-2 visa journey. The American dream is a journey marked by hard work, resilience, and belief in your goals. The E-2 visa showcases your entrepreneurial spirit and commitment to innovation. The U.S. is built on immigrant contributions, and the E-2 visa embodies this spirit. Embrace the challenges and opportunities to turn your American dream into reality.